this was a June, and I rode the roads all evening and lay down again. And strangers, they are no friend to me, till the dagger towards me came, and I fell in love with a Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. She said, make beauty Creole girl, my money here's no good. If it weren't for the alligators, I'd sleep out here in the woods. I'm strange, they are no friends to me, till the darker towards me came, and filled my heart with the longing for the lakes of Pontchartrain. I stepped on, went to her mammy's house, and she treated me right well. And the hair upon her shoulders, jet black ringlets fell, to try to paint her beauty, no, it would be very vain. So handsome was my Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. I asked her if she'd marry me. She said it would never be, for she already had a lover, and he was lost at sea. She said that she would wait for him, and true that she would remain till he returned to his Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain. So fare thee well, my Creole girl, oh fare thee well for a while. I'll never forget your kindness, oh there, back by the shore, and at its social gathering a tall glass I will rise, and drink a health to my Creole girl by the lakes of Pontchartrain.